You won't believe what Audi has done with the 2026 Q7. This isn't just a refresh, it's a whole new level of luxury, power, and cutting-edge tech. If you've been waiting for the perfect SUV that balances elegance, performance, and innovation, then buckle up because this might just be the one. Welcome back to AF Car Reviews, and today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Audi Q7. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the redesigned front grille with sharper matrix LED headlights gives off a commanding presence. The updated body lines are smoother, more aerodynamic, and give this SUV a modern yet aggressive stance. Under the hood, the Q7 comes equipped with a powerful 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine producing 335 horsepower, paired with a 48V mild hybrid system that ensures smoother performance and improved fuel efficiency. And yes, Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard, making it ready for any terrain, anytime. Step inside and you'll instantly feel the premium difference. Audi has completely reimagined the cabin with soft touch materials, new ambient lighting, and dual touchscreen displays powered by the latest MMI infotainment system. The dashboard is cleaner and more intuitive, giving the driver full control without feeling cluttered. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come wireless, and there's a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system available that transforms every ride into a concert-like experience. Space? No worries. The Q7 remains a proper 7-seater, and the third-row seating is now easier to access thanks to the upgraded sliding second-row seats. You also get increased cargo space with power folding rear seats, making family trips and grocery runs more convenient than ever. On the safety front, Audi has packed this SUV with all the essentials. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a new predictive efficiency assistant that adjusts driving behavior based on terrain and traffic data. As for pricing, the 2026 Audi Q7 starts at around $62,000 and climbs based on the trim and tech packages you choose. While that may sound premium, the value it delivers is undeniable when compared to rivals in the same segment. But here's the big question, is it worth it? After spending real time behind the wheel and exploring every feature, we can confidently say the 2026 Q7 isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold statement. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that truly does it all, this one deserves to be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching AF Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a future review. See you in the next one.